My country people, hello, na dey welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk am how you see am. The World Cup don't come, e don't go. We don't watch the final. And for this final, they score 6 goals. We see a get display from two senior men there for inside the football lifestyle. Lionel Messi, Kylian Mbappe. And we get one Ogbonge personality wey name na Oga Ose. Make come tell us about how you see this game. Oga Ose, now how you see this final today?
No man, some time ago I first tell you before say as I said I want my favorite team to win the World Cup, and I saw it be. So our PC the winner normally to me I still deserve the World Cup. Even for this game they play past France. I just the little errors wey they make, ball possession or set piece or corner or attempt. Everything they pass France. But anyhow, it sweet me say at least as now win Messi. Greatest of all time, don't carry us so happy for that one.
So no debate again.
No debates now, no
They
debates.
leave am for Messi.
Now in goat, they will prince goat for years.
Okay. So make I ask you now, which player be the best player for this World Cup?
And Messi.
Na Messi.
And Messi and Aaron Bat. Those two players for me. Finish. I'm my best player.
So what about your best goalkeeper?
Now Bono from Morocco. Yeah.
Alright. Your best coach for the tournament?
No say nobody now don't win 12 they give best coach. But I'll say Morocco coach. At least now record that guy break. Record even better pass this final. Africa to reach out of 16. Nobody expects an miracle.
Over person when we find a week up.
I know. But this one Morocco will be like final for Africa normally and to the Arab world. So now Bono deserve am. At least Morocco not get quality players where Argentina or France or those big teams get. Yes, they still manage reach that stage, so Morocco deserve am.
So among all the young players what we see for this World Cup, who will be your best young player for the World Cup?
Alvarez. At least that small boy, he just hide the hustle. Man still go out well because if even talent go 1 year injury, they get sure replacement. Beside the ball they worry now, Alvarez na player. So me na be the best, 21 years old, so me na be the best young player so far for the tournament.
So but with what we see from Kylian Mbappe today, you think say e get some players wey go fit follow Mbappe drag who be the next king, who be the king wey be like say go dey for football after, because now e be like say Mbappe don take over from Messi and Ronaldo hand. You think say any young player dey wey or player wey dey play for a prime now wey go fit follow Mbappe drag am?
To be honest, man tell you something, Messi and Ronaldo 2010, na so we say dey talk am o. Whenever say Hazard come out, Neymar come out, Isco come out, they no fit do anything. They no fit compete with them. So I don't think say Mbappe go do like that because nowadays they na win trophy dey get name. You understand? And back again, good players wey dey come on, Gavi, Pedri, they stay there. Give them most year 1-2 years ago. So other young players dey, but at the moment, Mbappe dey lead within that age grade. Until we start to see players like them better than they pick from. Say back, like back now win Champions League the next year, next 2 years. No be say carry am go give Ronaldo Mbappe now. So other teams dey, other players dey. But at the moment, Mbappe dey lead. But I don't think say he go replace them. But wetin those two guys don do, Messi and Ronaldo, you no get. You go take another decade. Now if you get players who fit replace them. Mbappe dey go now 22, 24 years now. So they dey go already. You no fit be like them again. Na so e just be.
So before I go let you go now, how you go rate this World Cup if you want rate am on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'll give am so far I'll give am 9.
9 out of 10.
10 na for God, so I'll give am 9.
So you say 9 out of 10 how you rate the World Cup?
Yes, because Qatar normally na hard country. Na Arab na dey tough. At the end, the World Cup due to the expectation of the country, how they dey behave. Na very difficult World Cup now. See so many disappointments. Saudi Arabia beat Argentina. Morocco comot Spain, comot Portugal. Cameroon win Brazil. So even Japan sef qualify, win Germany. So na very unexpected World Cup. So far na be the best I don watch. For me, since 2006, that's gonna be the best World Cup I don witness so far.
All right now, Oga Ose, thank you for your time, your face show. My country people, now lawyer boy across wey dey loyal like loyal me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you no forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share am with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, dey for the description for inside this video.